Hello and welcome to a new lecture. So today will be the first lab. We will see how we can change our network IP address for Zycoo and how we can create extensions. So first I will go to System tab, then we will go to Network. From here we working on WAN port. Don't confuse about this: WAN for your local area network and LAN for your SIP trunk from ITSP. So I will put IP address for my LAN 192.168.11.253, or you can put 254. I recommend to put IP in the latest range of your network, so you can know this IP for Zycoo. And I put my gateway 11.1, and you can keep the public DNS. So I will click on save, then submit, and now operation success. So after that we will open a new tab and close the old tab, and I will go to new IP. First make sure you put HTTPS 192.168.11.254, then enter. So this is the tab I was speaking about it. If you see this page, just click on advanced and proceed and save. This page telling you that this site or this Zycoo product not have valid certificate, and most asterisk products they have this page. What is asterisk? Asterisk open source packages and modules. We can install them on any Linux system and create our IPPBX. Like we have many products work on asterisk, like Zycoo, GrandStream, Yestar, Switchbox, and Isabel, and FreeBBX, Vital BBX, all of them working in the top of asterisk. So first thing we have Linux layer, after that asterisk layer, and the Zycoo product or GrandStream or Yestar or FreeBBX. You can learn about asterisk more if you go to asterisk. So this is asterisk. You have asterisk.org. They have certifications. You can take DCAP certification, DGM certified asterisk professional, or DGM certified asterisk associate, and they have many seminars like Astericon products. They have their own products like Switchbox, so you can search about it. So for now I will make login admin. First thing, before we create extensions, I have to create password for our user. So we have to make sure we don't have any vulnerability in our system. We will secure the passwords, the firewall. We will see all of this, but first step we will secure our password. So I will go to maintenance user, and I will put the old user, and I will type the new password. So this is the old password and the new password and confirmation. Then I will click save. Then we will go to telephony extensions. So if we go to IP extensions, from here we can create one extension or bulk extensions. So if I want to create more than one extension, I will click on bulk add. But first I will see how we can create one extension. So we will click on add. Now this is the extension number 100. If you want, you can put like 101, but if you want to put extension like 1000, you cannot, because you have to change the extension range from preferences. I will let you see how you change it. You go to preference, then you see here user extension number range. We have from 100 until 899. If you want to change, you can click 1000 until 2000. Then you click save. After that you can make extensions in 1000 range, but for now we have 100 range. So I will click on add. So my extension number 100, and I will put the name, my name, and I prefer to keep the password as it is. Just copy it. This is password for SIP extension, and here you have some features like dial permission for outgoing calls. We will see later how we can make dial permission, so this extension can call only locally in our country, or national can call a mobile number, or international. So we will make groups later. You can make language for this extension for audio prompt. For example, if you call this extension and this extension busy, you will hear the audio in English language or Chinese or Arabic. You can select whatever you want, and we will see music on hold later. Outbound CID for SIP trunk, email. We will see all these features later. And here you have some features. If you want to enable this extension as remote extension, so that's mean I can enable this extension for remote calls. Like I am now in Canada, as I said before, and the PPX in Middle East, so I can make free calls between Canada and Middle East for free. And we have some features: web portal, video call, call spy, voicemail. You can enable it, you can disable it. We will enable it now. You have certain simulations calls, registration I mean. So this extension, you want maximum how many extension registered to this account at the same time. So I have 100. I can create 5 phones for extension 100, or only one phone. I prefer, if you have one phone, just keep it for one device only, because attackers sometimes, if you make it 3 and you have one phone, maybe someone attack you and can register on 2 or 3. So keep it for 1 if you have one extension only. And here the video codec, if we enable video calls, call recording, you can enable it for inbound calls and or outbound or in and out. We will keep it later. Advanced, we have here some features, like for example, when we create remote extensions, I enable IX protocol. IX protocol work on single port 4569. So SIP protocol work on 5060 and 5061 for secure SIP. And the problem for SIP protocol, there is RTP, real-time protocol. So when we make call, when we establish call, the phone will take port from 10,000 until 20,000. So if we have a problem with NATing, so the phone, for example, take port like 30,000, so we will hear one-way audio. We cannot hear the another person because of the RTP, the phone taking port over RTP ports. So I prefer for remote extension to use IX protocol. We will explain about this later. For SIP, you will not face a problem in local LAN. So we have also some features like audio codec. You can use whatever audio codec, ALO, ULO, J729, and the DTMF mode. DTMF, this for when you call, for example, any company, you hear welcome to our company, press 1 to speak with the operator. So you have to make sure you are using RFC 4733. So because most of PPX is using this one. If you use another one like maybe inbound or SIP info, if you click 1 to speak with operator, you will not see any effect. So just keep it like this or make it auto. All of these features, mostly we didn't use it, we keep it default. We will just use IX extension later. So this is my extension. I will copy the password and I will click save. After that, we will see I have to click apply changes. Yes. Now we want to test on our phone, so we will download softphone. We will go to Google and download microsip softphone. So we will go to microsip. This is softphone. We have many softphones: microsip, Zoiber, Jitsi, X-Lite. So you will click on download. After that, you will click on setup. Very easy setup. You will click OK, next. After that, it will set up with you. So I already set up this phone. So I have here my microsip. You will see it like this. So this is my soft phone. I will click here, then I will click add account. So first, the account name, we can click edit here. So my account name will be 100, the extension number, so I will put 100, and the SIP server IP 192.168.11.254, the IP address, and the username also 100, the same extension number. The domain 192.168.11.254, this is domain, the SIP server domain, and the login 100, extension number, and the password. I will paste the password, this password, and we will click on publish presence. Publish presence mean if you take a break or if you have a call, it will publish your presence, your status, and I will click save. So now we are online. I can make call. If I have any extension, I can make any call, but now you don't have extension, so I will create another extension on another soft phone. So I will click on bulk add this time, So I will make bulk add from 101 and I will increase the count until 2. So we will create 101 and 102. We'll see all these features later. And voicemail, you can see the same features. You can select all features. Call recording are disabled now, and you can put here password. If you didn't put password and click save, you will see random password. If I click edit now, we have random password. So I will click apply changes. Yes. Now I have another soft phone. This soft phone is Zycoo, so you can search about Zycoo. Then you go to download. Then you download for Windows. After you download, just make setup, next, 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 very easy. So I will open Zycoo. So if you go to switchboard right now, we can see now we have one extension, Khalid 100. This is the IP for my PC, and 101 and 102 are offline. So this is the switchboard I tell you about it before. So this is my Zycoo. Once you finish the setup, you will see this screen. You will continue as a free user. Okay, I will delete this one just to be with view. So after you set up, you will see this screen. Now it will ask you to put your extension at your SIP server, like 101. This is my extension at 192.168.11.254, and you have to put the password. So this is the password. I think this is the password. Yes, I want to confirm. Just copy again. This is not the password, so I will paste it and I will click login. Then I will click next, then skip. Now already the system, the Zycoo soft phone, detects the SIP extension. Now next, and add just like this. So we can use one extension. Now if I go to switchboard, we have two extensions, 100 and 101. You can see the IP address, the millisecond. The millisecond means we have like millisecond for this extension, like bandwidth for this extension. It's 36 or 5. Sometimes if you have remote extension, you will see the millisecond high, like over 200 or 300. Why? Because it's connected over internet. So to reach from remote extension to IPPX, it will take more millisecond, more time. The more millisecond, the more bad for you. If you have high millisecond, so you will hear sometimes cutting in audio. The good millisecond is below 200. Over 200, sometimes you will hear delay between the calls. So it's depend on many things. In network, if you have pure network, giga switches, you have VLANs, it will be more good. Your soft phones, like you see microchip phone, very good phone. It's use a little bit milliseconds, not like Zycoo. Zycoo maybe make some updates or some many packets to the Zycoo website. So now we will test call. I will call 101 and click call. So now I have here one call. You can see 100 is busy, 101 is ringing. So I can take the call from here. Test 1 to 1, test what? So I already finished the call. This is simple how we can create extensions, register them, and we will see in next lecture how we can enable recording. And I will create one more phone, but this phone will be hardware phone, not soft phone. So we will see how we can register hardware phones like headset, Fanville phone or Yelling phones or Zycoo phones. So any SIP phones you can register it with Zycoo, even Avaya. If you have Avaya phones like SIP phones or Cisco, you can register them because SIP is standard protocol. All phones, most of phones support SIP protocol. So thank you for now and goodbye.